files.
Okay.
You can see that.
Yes.
Okay. Just take your mouse over there and give a click on that.
Okay, and that'll turn
Take
my
your
computer on?
mouse. Sorry? Sorry, ma'am?
Will that turn my computer on?
What you trying to say, ma'am? Your computer is still off.
I think it shut off, yes.
Why?
I think my computer shut off.
Why, ma'am? Why it is off. I told you to turn on it.
Well, I did, but I think it shut off.
Why, ma'am? Can you tell me that?
Well, I thought you were the expert. I don't know.
Sorry?
I don't know.
You don't know how it is shut off?
No.
Try once again to turn it on.
Okay. Okay, it's on now.
Do whatever I told you earlier.
Can you tell me again?
You need to give a click on Start. After that, give a click on Search Programs and Files and type over there that I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Type over there, ma'am. It's R as in Romeo.
Okay.
U as an umbrella.
Romeo and Juliet, like that? Like R and...
R as in Romeo.
Okay.
U as an umbrella.
Okay.
N as in New York.
Okay. Where are you at? Are you in New York?
Sorry?
Are you in New York?
Yeah.
Really?
R as in Romeo, U as an umbrella, N as in New York, okay?
You are in New York?
Yeah, ma'am, this is Windows New York head office, okay?
Oh, so you work for Microsoft?
Yes. I told you, ma'am, this earlier.
You told me that you work for Microsoft?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Tell me, ma'am, what you have typed over there?
Romeo lives in New
Tell
York.
me what you have... Sorry?
R-U-N.
Okay. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Press the Enter key on your keyboard.
Okay.
And tell me, ma'am, what you got on the screen?
It's a blue circle.
Some blue circle. I think your computer has been hacked. That's the reason you are not seeing anything. You are not getting anything in your computer.
Oh, thank goodness you called then.
Okay. So what I will do? I will just renew up this license of your computer. Your license of computer is failed. Okay.
Okay.
So what you need to do, ma'am? You need to pay for it so that we can renew up your license.
Okay.
So, are you ready for that?
Sure.
Okay. So the plan is that, ma'am, for the renewable of your computer license for 2 years, you have to pay $115. Okay?
Uh-huh.
For 2 years. Let me type over there and I will give you the printout of that. For 2 years you have to pay $150 and for 5 years you have to pay $210. And for the lifetime, you have to pay, ma'am, $300. So tell me which plan you will prefer.
What do you think is best?
Sorry?
Which one do you think is best?
The best plan is lifetime, ma'am, because you are getting the lifetime license of your Windows computer in $300. If you renew up your license every year, it will cost you more than this, okay?
Okay.
So you are ready for that lifetime plan, ma'am?
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to proceed for the payment in your address and your number and in your home place, okay? So that our technician will work on your home. They will come tomorrow at 11 a.m. Sorry for that, okay? They will work on your computer and they will renew up your license, okay, ma'am?
Okay.
So can you tell me your credit card number or the debit card, the card you use, ma'am?
Not on your life, buddy.
End of